Hey everyone, welcome back to Newswade, where science meets curiosity. Today we're diving into one of the coolest breakthroughs in synthetic biology. Scientists have successfully rebuilt a biological circadian clock inside synthetic cells. Yeah, you heard that right, tiny engineered cells that can keep time just like a living organism. Let's break it down. First, what's a circadian clock? It's your body's internal timekeeper, regulating sleep, hormone release, metabolism, even bacteria have one. In particular, cyanobacteria, those little photosynthetic microbes, have one of the most precise clocks known in biology. But here's the twist, their clock doesn't need DNA to tick. Instead, it runs on a protein trio, KaiA, KaiB, and KaiC, working in perfect rhythm. The researchers encapsulated these proteins inside synthetic cells, tiny bubbles called GUVs, short for giant unilamellar vesicles. Using advanced imaging and fluorescent markers, they tracked how the proteins behaved over several days. Some vesicles showed beautiful 24-hour oscillations, just like real cyanobacteria. But not all vesicles oscillated. Why? Here's what they found. Higher protein concentrations meant higher clock fidelity. At low levels, the synthetic clocks just stopped ticking. Size matters too. Smaller synthetic cells were more prone to failure. Bigger ones worked better. Then there's the membrane. KaiB, one of the clock proteins, likes to stick to the vesicle wall. That takes it out of action and reduces clock performance. Support proteins like SasA and CikA turned out to be game changers. They helped stabilize the clock, even when protein levels weren't ideal. Once these helpers were added, clock function improved dramatically. Now here's the kicker. Just having a ticking clock isn't enough. You need the clocks in all the cells to stay in sync. That's where the transcription translation feedback loop, or TTFL, comes in. It helps reset and synchronize each cell's clock cycle, keeping the whole population aligned. So why does this matter? This is more than a science experiment. It's a window into the future of programmable biology. Imagine synthetic cells that track time, release drugs and rhythmic pulses, power biosensors, or even mimic living systems in machines. The possibilities are enormous. What nature built over billions of years, scientists are now recreating from scratch. It's not just impressive, it's a whole new way of understanding life. So the next time you check the time, remember, even synthetic cells might be ticking too. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a breakthrough. See you next time on Newswade, where science gets real. Check out more at newswade.com.